Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over my favorite quick detailing spray. And a lot of you, after I did the spray wax video, were like, yeah, that's right, I really don't see any value in quick detailers. I stopped using quick detail sprays because the spray waxes and these ceramic spray coatings have gotten so good. There's just really no reason for a quick detail spray, all of which I would agree with until it comes to this product. I actually I believe I torture tested this product a while back and actually really fell in love with it for a multitude of reasons. And it's in fact the only, again at the time of this recording, the only quick detail spray that I have in my arsenal, really because of the many features that it offers, and again how readily available it is and the price. So a lot of you over the pond love this because it's made in Germany, so the price is actually cheaper than it usually is here in the States. This bottle, 25-ounce bottle, sent me back about 13 bucks on Amazon, and again, free shipping with Prime. But this, they claim, is a detailer, but it's like the rare case that I actually think that they undervalued the product on the label by just calling it a detailer, because this product is so much more. And in fact, if you read the back, it talks about how it is more of a sealant, but it also hints to being a waterless wash, also hints to actually being a detail spray, but so many things. It doesn't talk about how it can be diluted, but it definitely can be diluted to kind of fit your needs if you want it, because it is kind of a thick consistency. So if you actually do want to use it as just a quick detailer, you can definitely cut it probably 4-to-1 and actually have a really nice quick detail spray. And then when you start breaking down the price, if you diluted this whole bottle 4-to-1, it's incredibly competitive price-wise with some other brands. But again, talks about how it can be a waterless wash. So if you just have a light soiling on your car, you can just spray and wipe. It smells really good. Again, more of a sealant, and I'll try to remember to link the video that I torture tested this product in, but offers really good water beating and really good durability. Again, for something that's just labeled as a detailer, which I would assume is just a quick detail spray, this is so much more and just such a wonderful product. And I'm not even getting paid to say how wonderful it is, because I just like it so much. And last time I torture tested it, you guys from overseas talked about how much you liked it because it was easy for you to get. A lot of these products that I talk about are made in the US, they get launched in the US first, and by the time they get to Europe or Australia or New Zealand or wherever it may be, they're super expensive. And so you guys are constantly reaching out saying, is it worth it? Should I just stick with what I already know? And this is one product that you definitely should have in your arsenal. That is definitely should be a go-to. And yeah, you don't need to get swooned by all these latest and greatest all the time. Sometimes it's the tried and true that do the best for me and you. And yes, that did rhyme. That was bad. So anyway, pick up this product. I will link it in the show notes below or the description below. If you haven't tried it, I highly suggest it. And again, at the $13 price point, it is by far the best quick detail spray or detailer that you can get on the market. I don't love quick detail sprays at all. I really don't see their purpose. So if I'm gonna pick up a quick detail spray, this is going to be the one. But let me know in the comments below what your favorite quick detail spray is. Maybe I'm missing the boat on something. Maybe there is a spot for quick detail sprays and I'm totally missing it. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite quick detailer is. And on your way down there, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button so you can get first alerted of new products that are my favorite, just like this one. And I will catch you guys in the next episode. See ya.